So in today's video, I will show you a new YouTube niche where you can make tens of thousands of dollars every single month as a complete beginner. You don't need to film anything or have a camera, and you don't need any experience to get started. So I will show you step by step on how to set up everything, and I will even show you proof of others making big money with this simple YouTube strategy. I think it's one of the best ways to make money online in 2021 or 2022. And if you want to see more videos on how to make money online, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel for free. I will upload daily new content and give you new strategies that works. And I think every beginner can do my strategies and earn the first money online. And how the strategy of today works, that will I show you in a few seconds. Welcome back, guys. Now I will show you the new strategy on how to make money with YouTube. On one side with Google AdSense and on the other side with affiliate marketing. And you can make really millions of clicks every single month. And this strategy is really easy. I think every complete beginner can start with this. But you know, when you start with YouTube, you need a few months to get viral on YouTube. So it's a little bit of work. But when you do this every single day, 30 minutes or an hour, you can make a decent amount of money in the next couple of months. So now in the background, you'd see this channel, Roberta's Gym. And she makes maybe, I think, $250,000 or $300,000 every single month. And on the one side, you have Google AdSense, and on the other side, affiliate marketing. And there is no one in front of the camera. You see only a character. And I will show you in a few minutes how you can make these videos too. Yes, these tools to build the character that you see here is totally free. Yes, everyone can do this, and I think it costs you a little bit of time because you must see a few YouTube videos, a few tutorials on how to build these characters, but then you can do the same stuff and get thousands and millions of views, and you can work with affiliate marketing. So in this video, she forgot to put any affiliate links in the description. This is really bad. So you only see the different exercises of the training. Yes. And you can build the same channel. I will show you now some stats of Roberta's Gym. She makes 23 million views every single month. I think in the fitness niche, these are around $80,000 only with Google AdSense. $80,000. And her channel has 500 million views. So I think around $2.5 million she makes with her YouTube channel. This is really, really crazy. And I think millions with affiliate marketing. Here you see the stats. Yeah, around 800,000 views every single day. And yeah, 5K subs per day. This is so crazy. And you can do the same stuff. Yeah, look at these videos. You can go on her channel and we can look at the most popular videos. You see here some videos, 30 million views, 14 million views, and so on. And these are videos here, 2 minutes. This is really crazy. 2-minute videos with 12 million views. And when she has there any affiliate link, she will earn maybe $100,000 or $200,000 only with affiliate marketing. In the next step, I will show you now the tool that you can use to build the same videos. Yes, every beginner can do this, and everyone can earn with this simple strategy money. The tool is Blender 2.92. Yeah, you can go to the website here, blender.org, and yeah, it's absolutely free. You see it here, open source 3D creation, free to use for any purpose. Yes, you can use it over and over again. You can download it, and then you can make the same videos. Here you see it. Here's another character. You can choose a woman or a man, and then you take music from YouTube. I will show you that free copyright music, and maybe you have a microphone and tell the people something, but you don't need it. You need only music and the timestamps in the description, like Roberta, and then you do the same stuff. Yes, it's absolutely free. Go to blender.org and download the software for absolutely free, and then you can get started. Here are some tutorials. You see it here, 24 minutes, 15 minutes. And yeah, the channel of Blender has over 800,000 subs. And yeah, you can start and create this animation videos absolutely for free. Yeah, look, some tutorials. It's a little bit, it is a little bit of work, or you make the same videos in front of the camera. But I think most people of you don't want to be in front of the camera. So you go to YouTube and type in blender.org tutorial, and then you see some tutorials, and you can do the same videos like Roberta. Yeah, it's really, really easy. Everyone can do this. And I think in the beginning, it's hard work, but you can earn so much money with these videos. So definitely worth it. The next step is to edit these videos. So this is DaVinci Resolve. It's a free software. I use it too since I think 3 or 4 years. And yeah, it's for every beginner. You can use only this software for absolutely free. Go to Google, type in DaVinci Resolve, and yeah, then you can download it, and then you can edit your videos that you make with Blender. And yeah, then the next step is you only need music for this video, and this will I show you now. So I type in gym motivation music, no copyright, in the YouTube search, and yeah, these are the videos and the music, and you can download it absolutely for free. And these are all royalty free songs, so you can use all of the songs in your videos, yeah, that you make with Blender, and then you can upload the video to YouTube. This is so easy. You only need to make the character, then you go to DaVinci Resolve, edit the video, take some music, and then you can upload the videos to YouTube. And the last step is we need affiliate links. You will make more money with affiliate marketing than with Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a cool, but only a small part when you earn money with YouTube. So we go to ClickBank. ClickBank is free for everyone, and we have here thousands of digital products in different niches. And I go to health and fitness, and then you go here rather to gravity. And yeah, we have here the most popular products that we can use. This is one of the best ones, custom keto diet. I can show you the website. This is a website. I think you see the website in many YouTube videos, and this is perfect for women. Yeah, most people are women to watch these videos, and so you take a product like this here, where they talk about keto diet, and it's not so expensive. Yeah, everyone can buy it for around $100, and you get $40 to $50 every time someone buy this product. And you know, there's so many people who wants to buy these products when they see the results. And yeah, every time you get $50 when someone buys it. And when you have maybe 23 million people who watch your videos, you know it, then you make hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. And this is only one digital product in one specific niche, like keto diet. You have also high carb, low fat, or low carb diets. So you can link many different affiliate links in the description. And the last big step, I think, is that you need good tags for your videos. So people search in YouTube like keto diet or like gym exercises, and then you need a tool like Rapid Tags. It's absolutely for free. I take it for my videos, and then you can type in like lose belly fat or abdominal exercises, and yeah, we can search for good keywords, and then you can copy these keywords and use it for YouTube. Yeah, keywords are so important when you make videos for SEO. Yeah, when you have videos that are in the entertainment niche, then it's not so important. But when you have videos that are for the SEO, that someone type in like abdominal exercises, then you need these keywords. Yes. So you copy the keywords and take them for your YouTube video. I think this strategy is really easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you are new to my channel CashCrow, then you can subscribe for absolutely free. I would be happy when you do this. I will upload every day new videos or a new video on how to make money online. And yeah, thank you and goodbye.